Somizi. Those two, I'll never trust them, Shum. And I don't know why Italians are just giving him like airtime. For what reason? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Guys, let's start with this one out of the way. Lilies and whomever who feel like it is wrong for Lungile or Lungelo Kanyile to donate on Tandega's GoFundMe. I feel like you need to sit down and say that, hi God, I'm jealous, I'm trying to be a witch. Because most of you that are commenting that your friends will not even donate 10 rand, even if it was a matter of life or death in the situation, because your friend don't care much about you. They don't even care about your public persona, reputation. They don't even care about your health. Your friends are just there to use you as a stepping stone or to use you to shine or for the clothes, for everything. But Tandega has a friend that can donate over 100,000 pounds, or is it euros, which is equivalent to over 30,000 rand. Whether he's gonna get that money back or he's not gonna get that money back, the fact that he is able to do it, which will tell you that in her circle, they're not poor. I mean, the girl, she's not lying. Her circle is rich. Because if we're being honest, some of us, we only donate when there is an emotional cause, when there's cancer, there's there's what. This one, we're gonna like, friend, but this is just for fun, so why should we donate to you? But then Kanyile or Lungelo, the name, I forget the name, he did that for his friend. You know? Public persona. Let's move on to guys. Wabona Vusinova. He is riding, like, I'm not saying this is a fact, this is my opinion. He is riding on Tandega's fame. Who really cares about this new song, to be honest? And the fact that this is not might not even be a new song. This might be a song recorded in 2015, and now that Tandega is trending, Tandega is forever being talked about on social media. He was like, let me release it. And now you're saying, like, if ever this was not discussed behind closed doors with Tandega, and then he just posts that after Tandega has posted his email so that you can talk to her and work with her, and then why are you not using that email if you want to talk to her? Why you are not even taking her profile? What are you doing? Are you trying to throw a shade at Tandega? You're so wrong. Like, guys, I feel like it's so wrong because this girl has put on an email contact details when you want to talk to her, but you now you're putting it out unless if you discuss this with her just to promote the song and then you post it like that. But otherwise, you could have tagged her, you could have emailed her. That's what you're doing is riding on a wave of another kid. Bra, you had your time to shine. These people were celebrities before we were even born, but who? These people were celebrities ka nako ya bo mama rona, way back then. Now they want to ride on our own celebrities. You need to sit down and retire. Go to Maldives, Zanzibar, and do what you do best. Leave our celebrities alone. Leave our public figures alone. This is their time to shine. If ever Tandeka is to go to see Vusinova, she must tell him that if I'm doing a feature on a music video, I want 80,000. DJ Tira always talks about how he make artists pay 50,000 for saying chiki chiki chiksa and just with the song. But then Tanda got to say I'm the queen of Bazoza or king of Bazoza. He must charge. She must charge. And these celebrities, they want to act clever. We saw it last year when the other DJ from KZN ride on Sweet Guluva's fame and Ashley's fame and also Paul to fame. But it's okay because maybe we're just jealous. Maybe I'm just jealous and this is not a fact. She was not riding on their fame. She was just helping up them to go far. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.